With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, question is which of the following cell organelles is responsible for the maintenance of turgidity of the plant cell? Okay, so option A, that is a mitochondria. If you talk about the mitochondria of a cell is known as the energy house of the cell or a powerhouse of the cell. Why we called it a powerhouse of the cell? Because it generates the energy currency which is known as ATP. Okay, so we call this mitochondria as a powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because it synthesized ATP. Synthesis of ATP takes place into the mitochondria. Okay, so this is the wrong one. Second option, that is the vacuoles. Okay, if you talk about the vacuoles is the present in the cytoplasm, and the function of a vacuole is the storage of material which is not useful for the plant, Okay, so these vacuoles also contain water inside them in the plant cell. Okay, this vacuole is, if you talk about the vacuole, it is a 90% of the plant cell. 90% volume of the plant cell is occupied by this vacuole. Okay, and when the water concentration is increased inside the cell, this vacuole take these all water, okay, absorbed all water, vacuole absorbed all waters. Okay, this vacuole absorb water, extra water present in the cell. Okay, present in the cell, and maintain the turgidity of the cell, So the correct answer is the vacuole. So option B is the answer of our question. The option C said that the plastid is a example of chloroplast, leucoplast, chromoplast. Okay, so this chloroplast have a chlorophyll which is important for the synthesis. Okay, the ribosome is generally engaged in the synthesis of protein. Okay, so the correct option is the vacuole. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.